Everything that Zendesk does out of the box is powered by an internal engine we call Sunshine. But Sunshine is also an open platform for you to customize Zendesk to fit the unique needs of your customers and your agents. For your customers, you can build innovative, engaging experiences. Take a simple conversation and elevate it into something that's interactive, personal, and customized to your business. Then bring it into your website, mobile app, or even a social channel. For your agents, you can integrate siloed systems to give your team a unified view of the customer. Tie together info from sales CRMs, marketing automation systems, IT tools, or payment platforms. For example, an e-commerce company can pull in things like order histories, lifetime spend, or loyalty status, even if the data is stored in homegrown tools. And your agents can not only see, but use this information, like by dropping order details right into an email with one click. Getting started with Sunshine is fast and easy. There's no proprietary code required, so developers get the flexibility they need. For non-developers, we have low-code, no-code tools and 1,200 apps in our marketplace. And of course, the Zendesk platform comes with built-in data security, compliance, and privacy tools, all standard. Innovative experiences, complete customization, limitless automation, all on one foundational platform.